Want to switch your streaming platform in OBS Studio? I'll show you how to change your streaming service with ease. In OBS Studio, go to the Controls section and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select Stream. In the Service drop-down menu, choose your desired streaming platform, such as Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or a custom service. For custom services, you'll need to enter the server address and stream key, and possibly use authentication. If selecting YouTube, click Connect Account and sign in with your Google account through OBS Studio, granting the necessary permissions. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.